Hi guys, and welcome back to the Content Edit channel. Today we're going to be talking about when does your blog become a business. Your blog becoming a business is something that can be quite unique to you. Now officially in the UK, where we are at least, when you first make any income from your blog, that is when you need to register as self-employed, and that is kind of I suppose a bit of a benchmark of when you've made some money and you are seen to be running a business. For me, a blog can become a business whenever you make that decision. And this might sound familiar, you might feel, well, if I'm not making any money, how can it become a business? But if you start to treat your blog like a business, there's a bigger chance that you will start moving a lot quicker, that you're more likely to make an income from it sooner, and you will see it as a more serious thing that you're doing, rather than it be something that you just do on the side. It's a bit of a hobby. And if you want your blog to be a hobby, that's absolutely fine, definitely, I'm all for that. But if you want it to be something more, then you have to treat it as if it is something more. A few things you can do to make it feel more business-like to you is to have a separate bank account for your blog, keeping your finances separate so you know anything that you've spent on your blog, that you know what's gone out of your blog. The other thing for this is to keep some kind of record yourself, so like just an Excel spreadsheet to start with would be great, just your incomings and your outgoings. And again, as you grow, you can expand and move to something like Xero, which is an online accounting platform. Another great idea is you could get some business cards with your website address, contact details, all that kind of thing. You could even go networking, and we've got a video on this channel that's all about our best tip that you will get to help you network. If you're going to treat your blog as a business, is to actually behave as if it is. So things like keeping your social media up to date, being consistent with what you're posting, with the content that you're creating, doing your best to keep learning and improving every single time you create something. Look back and how could you do it better? All these are the sort of things that entrepreneurs and business owners do all the time. And by running a blog and by creating a business, you are an entrepreneur. You are somebody who is doing something that a little bit different. You are creating something to potentially change your life and the life of those around you. The final thing when you're really wanting to grow your blog, take it more serious, make it a business, is to actually tell people about it. So tell people in real life, tell people online, add it to your personal Facebook that that's what you do. Change it so that people can see that this is something that you're taking seriously, that brands can see that, your readers can see that, so everybody knows this is somebody whose blog I want to read, I want to follow their journey, and I want to help and support them. It's about keeping track of your finances. It's about networking and telling people exactly what you do. It's about being consistent with the content that you're creating. And it's just about acting like that professional entrepreneur and business owner that you are, with having business cards, going to networking, just doing those things all the time that really can make a difference and help you stand out from the crowd. So I hope you found this video useful. I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and a like, and also to subscribe to our channel so you can get all these tips into your subscription box on a regular basis. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!